Looking to make your apartment feel cozier, calmer, and way more comfortable? These Amazon Home Essentials are all about creating a space that helps you relax, recharge, and enjoy every moment at home. From soft lighting to smart little upgrades, everything here is designed to make daily life feel smoother. All products are linked in the description below. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this handheld steamer. It powers through creases with 1,500 watts, making shirts, dresses, and curtains look freshly pressed in minutes. The indicator light keeps you in control while you glide the steamer over fabrics. Lightweight and easy to hold, it works on all types of clothing without any hassle. Quick, simple, and perfect for keeping your wardrobe sharp at home. Meet the heavy-duty stainless steel paper towel holder that makes one-handed tearing effortless. Its spring-loaded tension arm keeps your roll from unrolling or flying away, while the weighted non-slip base ensures stability during use. It fits all paper towel rolls, so you're never limited by size or brand. The ergonomic top handle makes moving it around easy, and its durable stainless steel construction guarantees long-lasting use. Step into a sleep experience unlike any other. This jelly-filled waterbed cushions your body with a wobbly, bouncy support that adapts to every curve. It's soft yet supportive, keeping you cool while you drift off, and the jelly core adds a playful, squishy feel you won't get with a normal mattress. Perfect for bedrooms, game rooms, or just a fun nap spot. Plug it in, settle down, and enjoy a totally unique way to relax. Brighten up your space with this sleek and practical bedside night lamp. Adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambiance, soft and soothing for your bedroom, or vibrant and lively for your living room. Made with durable, high-quality materials, it's built to last and adds a touch of style to any room. Easy to install on a wall or desk, and even comes with a USB function for added convenience. Meet your new living room hero, a rolling C-shaped end table that fits anywhere. Slide it under the couch or bed to save space, then roll it out when you need a snack, laptop, or book. The adjustable desktop tilts to 4 angles, perfect for working, reading, or binge-watching hands-free. Made from durable, finely polished rubber wood with smooth edges, it adds a natural touch to your space. Lockable wheels keep it steady when you need it and glide effortlessly when you don't. Maximize fridge space and keep your tumblers within reach with this magnetic cup holder. Designed for 20, 30, and 40-ounce Stanley cups, it holds bottles firmly with a powerful magnet. The built-in lid and straw organizer keeps everything neat, while the durable metal construction prevents scratches and stays rust-free. Use it upright for storage or flip it for drying. Installation is quick and tool-free. Brighten your space exactly how you like with these dimmable mirror lights. With 120 energy-saving LEDs, you get clear, even illumination, while 3 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels let you set the perfect lighting for makeup, work, or reading. Magnetic mounts and touch control make installation and use effortless, and the rechargeable battery keeps it powered without messy cords. Tired of cluttered bathroom counters? Check out this sleek adhesive soap and shampoo holder set. Made from durable stainless steel, these wall mounts stick firmly with Peel and Stick 3M adhesive. No drilling required. Perfect for holding shampoo, conditioner, body wash, or even hand soap. They keep everything organized and within reach. Minimalist, stylish, and easy to install. They're a simple upgrade that keeps your bathroom neat and functional. Hot meals anytime, anywhere. This electric lunchbox makes it simple. With 1.8-liter stainless steel capacity and stackable compartments, you can pack a full meal with sides, fruits, or snacks. The secure, leak-proof design keeps food fresh during travel, and the 100-watt high-power heater warms meals evenly in just 20 to 30 minutes. Plug it in at home, in the car, or at work, and enjoy healthy, freshly heated food wherever you are. Turn your room into a relaxing oasis with this volcano-shaped essential oil diffuser. Ultrasonic technology transforms water and oils into a fine, fragrant mist, filling spaces up to 35 square meters with soothing aromas. Choose between flame or volcano mist modes and switch the LED light between red or blue to set the perfect mood. The 300-milliliter tank runs quietly for hours, and it shuts off automatically when water runs low. Say goodbye to daily scooping with this self-cleaning cat litter box. It uses a TiO2 system to neutralize odors, keeping your home fresh and inviting. The automatic waste sealing collects mess in disposable liners, while the built-in mat traps stray litter before it spreads. Modular design makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze, and safety sensors pause operation when your cat steps inside. Meet the pear-shaped nightlight that's too cute to resist. Made from super soft food-grade silicone, it's squishy, safe, and comforting to touch. Tap to turn it on, adjust brightness, or cycle through 7 colors. Perfect for kids, adults, or nighttime use. Set a 30 or 60-minute timer for hands-free convenience, or take it on the go for camping or travel. Ever wish your phone had its own little parking spot? This wall-mounted holder keeps your device safely off counters, sinks, and shelves. It sticks firmly with strong double-sided adhesive, so once it's up, it stays put. There's a handy cable slot too, letting you charge your phone without holding it or letting it dangle. Use it in the bedroom, bathroom, car, or anywhere you want a clean and clutter-free spot for your small essentials. Chill your drinks in style with this 2-in-1 ice cube and ice ball maker. It doubles as a portable bottle, so you can freeze water or juice and take it anywhere. The sealed design keeps ice from absorbing fridge odors, and the lid makes it mess-free to use. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for cocktails, coffee, whiskey, or just a refreshing cold drink. Just freeze, press, and pop ice made simple. Level up your desk setup with this RGB gaming mouse pad. It not only gives you a smooth surface for precise mouse movements, but also wirelessly charges your devices at 15 watts. No extra cables needed. 10 lighting modes let you customize your space with vibrant colors, and the memory function remembers your last choice. Large enough for your keyboard, mouse, and accessories, it keeps your desk organized and stylish. Meet the pillow that does more than just sit there. This memory foam reading pillow supports your arms, lap, and even your gadgets while you read, work, or game in bed. The side pockets keep your phone or remote close at hand, and the adjustable platform adds extra comfort and stability. Lightweight yet durable, it hugs your body and rebounds quickly for long-lasting support. Machine washable cover makes cleanup a breeze. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. This foldable drying rack opens in seconds, giving you space to hang clothes anywhere, indoors or outside. Its sturdy tripod design keeps garments stable, even when fully loaded, and the 6 rods hold everything from shirts to socks. Lightweight and compact, it folds down for easy storage or travel. No tools, no hassle, just a simple way to dry your clothes efficiently. Here's a helper that makes heavy loads feel light. This foldable rolling crate pops open in seconds and gives you a sturdy box on smooth 360-degree wheels, so you can pull groceries, office supplies, or travel gear without straining your arms. The telescoping handle adjusts to your height, and the rear wheel brakes keep it parked when you need it still. When you're done, it collapses into a flat little board you can tuck anywhere. Step into cleanliness without touching a thing. This automatic shoe cover dispenser slips protective covers over your shoes in just 3 seconds. Perfect for homes, labs, hotels, or exhibition booths. It keeps floors spotless and reduces contamination. The compact design fits easily in entryways, and the anti-slip film handles mud, snow, and spills with ease. Just step in and you're ready. Hygiene has never been this simple. Imagine a shelter that pops up in minutes and becomes your cozy hideout. This inflatable cave tent inflates fast with air beams instead of poles, giving you a sturdy dome that can hold up even in rough weather. Inside, you've got space for an inflatable bed or mattress, so you sleep comfortably off the ground. It's light to carry, easy to set up, and perfect for travel, camping, or spontaneous adventures. Here's a nightstand that feels like it came from the future. It cools your drinks, charges your phone, lights your room, and even plays your music, all without taking up extra space. You get a quiet cooling drawer for late-night snacks, plus wireless charging and built-in outlets for everything else you use. The LED lighting sets the perfect vibe with just a tap, and with smart app controls, this little table becomes the command center right beside your bed. Here's a gadget that turns your room into a tiny spa. This humidifier sends out a cool mist while raindrops swirl under a rotating umbrella, giving you soothing sound and calming visuals in one spot. Add a few drops of oil and you've got instant aromatherapy. The soft LED lights let you set the perfect mood, whether you're winding down or reading. And with a quiet motor and auto timer, it keeps the air comfy while you relax or sleep. Get ready for a piece of furniture that practically shapeshifts. This Murphy setup flips from a clean, modern shelf into a full workstation, and then drops down into a comfy bed when you need it. You get a desk for your laptop, shelves for your books, and a hidden sleeping space all in one spot. It's perfect if you want more room without giving anything up. One smooth pull, and your entire space transforms on command. Meet the tiny washer that goes wherever you do. This mini USB machine spins, scrubs, and freshens up your small laundry without you lifting a finger. Just stick it to a basin with the suction cup, add water, and let the ultrasonic waves do the hard work. It's gentle on fabrics but tough on dirt, making it perfect for travel or dorm life. Plug it into any USB port, and you've got instant cleaning on demand. Here's a bathroom upgrade you didn't know you needed. This smart toothbrush station cleans your brush and dries it automatically, so you're never putting a damp bristle in your mouth again. You get a clear LED screen that shows battery life and the cleaning status at a glance. It fits most toothbrush styles, from manual to electric, and the wall mount setup keeps your counter tidy while giving you a fresh brush every time. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.